Speed 3D is an Australian company that leads the world in metal additive manufacturing technology. Speed 3D make the world's fastest metal 3D printers for various industries, including defence, and has been working with the Australian Army to augment their supply chains for parts with metal 3D printing. In 2020, Speed 3D ran 2 intensive field trials with Army craftsmen who were trained in using and operating the Warp Speed tactical metal printer. The program resulted in over 50 case studies of replacement parts and tools that could be rapidly produced in the field. The Warp Speed tactical printer uses patented cold spray technology that enables significantly faster and more cost-effective metal part production than any other process. It can print large metal parts up to 40 kilograms at a rate of 100 grams a minute. In 2021, Speed 3D worked closely with the Australian Army in the training of the Army's first additive manufacturing cell team. This team specialised in the production of metal 3D printed parts, from design to printing, machining, heat treatment and certification. In the remote bushland of Bradshaw Training Area, located in the Northern Territory, the additive manufacturing cell team has been putting the Warp Speed tactical printer to its toughest trial yet. The printer was transported over 600 kilometres and has been operating in extreme conditions. Over the 3-week trial, the team produced more than a dozen different case studies for the M113 armoured vehicle. The M113 is an armoured personnel carrier that's been used by the Australian Army for over 40 years. The 2020 field trials proved that Speed 3D's technology was deployable. This year's trial was bigger, longer and more remote, with a focus on proving the certifiable quality of the parts. This trial proved once again that metal 3D printing can be used to produce high-quality, validated parts in the field. The trial also demonstrated how it can help to sustain the working condition of armoured vehicles and how additive manufacturing can play an important part in the future of defence readiness. For more information, visit www.speed3d.com.